Good morning, Wrenie Bird fans. I got what I wanted. Oh, I got my monster hide doll that I wanted. I wanted this monster hide doll. So it's Draculaura. She comes with a cell phone. I don't know what that is. A pet. Bat. And then, yay! What are these called?
LOL.
LOL dolls. Okay, so I'll open these at the end of I'll open everything at the end of the video. More LOL dolls. Yay! More chocolate. And this is Oreo bunnies. Yay! I wanted these. I wanted this because in my classroom they let us bring stuffed animals, and my friend brought a baby alive, and she said that once you're done with these, they work really good. You take it off, and then there's a stick at the bottom. They work really good as binkies. And this also has the powder in it. And then I got a push-up pop. Oopsies. I'm trying to get this out. I think this is a new series. Let me ask Mama Bird what series.
I'm not sure what series it says.
What's its name?
Her name is Cocolette.
Cocolette. I've heard that name before.
She's pretty.
So she has a chocolate heart, a hairbrush, a scanner thing. Ooh, that's a pretty stand.
Her hair is long.
No, it goes all the way to her feet. See on the back?
Cute. She's pretty.
Yeah, it's pink right there. Ooh, yay, bubblegum! Easter bubblegum. And then I have one more of these, only it's Frankie. She has a golden thingy.
What do you make? What is the Lego thing right there? Like a lab or something?
No, that's a basketball shoe.
Oh.
And a medal. And a ribbon.
You didn't even see it sitting there.
I did. And then all this
Fluff.
Okay, I will open all this now.
Wow, that's a lot.
I'll first start with this. Just get the tear strip. Ooh. Okay, so a video game and a smiley face.
What is that, like a hint or something?
Yes, a hint. Ah.
These are the dolls that pee, right?
They could do many other things, Mama. They could spit, they could cry, and they could pee. Spit, cry, or pee. Or wet or color change.
Do you need scissors?
No. Okay, it's a black top.
That looks like a coffee or something.
Yeah. So we got a bottle. And a pink ball. I don't want to say it, but I need scissors.
Okay.
Okay, Wrenie Bird fans, so I just literally tried to open this with my poor tooth, and it's wiggly, and it just came out, and here's the baggie. It's so pointy. And let me try to get the tooth. It hurts so bad. Good scissors. I don't know what I would do without these precious, precious scissors. Yay, another blind bag to open with scissors. Black shoes. I know what this one's going to be. I've seen it. It's ultra rare. I've seen it on YouTube. You know, I love watching YouTube. I know I'm a YouTube person, but I love watching YouTube.
Why don't you put it all up here?
Down to the ball. I was not expecting this outfit. This is adorable. Seriously. Look at that. That's pure cuteness.
And let me see what it says. A, B, C, D. It's actually really cute.
Okay, here's her checklist. Oh, I see who she is, and I can't spoil that for you. I see who she is, but I can't spoil it for you. No, I'm not going to spoil it for you. Ooh, I have a little extra blind bag.
Well, good thing we got the water ready. Right?
A binky.
Oh, a binky baby.
Okay, I know who this one's going to be, so I'm not going to spoil it for you.
Because I want to know if she goes potty.
She's a color changer, I think.
Oh, she's so cute.
But the point is... Oh, never mind. Yeah. Okay.
Her hair's like half-half.
I think... Will you go get a...
It was just black a minute ago.
Will you...
Did the heat of your hand make it change that color?
So you squeeze her head and she'll do something.
You want to pause it?
Yeah. Okay, she may be a color changer. Are you a color changer?
Yeah, it looks like her hair's changing.
Yeah.
It's more black now.
It's more pink. Now it is. Now it's more black. Okay, so she may be a color changer. Now let's see her drink. Let me take her binky out of her mouth. Ah, here she is.
Really cute.
Okay.
She's in the Glee Club. She's popular and she's a rocker. But if she has 2 question marks underneath of her, does that mean she does 2 things?
Guess. Does she have 2 question marks under?
Yeah, but they all do. No, most of them do. Changes color, spits, tinkles, or cries. Now, the ultra rares are the little teeny babies.
She spits.
Disgusting.
It's so good. She spits. Okay, so she's a spitter. Now we have another Lala Loopsy that's saying, "Help, help, get me out of here, I'm a Lala Loopsy." Okay, so I got this bottle, these shoes, and this hint. A clown with a clock stand, I think.
I think it's a school and a panda bear. I'm not really sure though.
You call that a panda bear?
I think. Oh, you're right. Wrenie Bird was definitely right. That is not a panda bear. A school plus a clown?
Maybe it's she goes to school, but she's a clown.
Oh, like clown school?
Yeah. Her costume does kind of feel kind of clowny. Oh, isn't it the cutest?
Oh, pretty.
And crack the egg open. Oh, jeez. I just broke the egg. I literally just broke the egg.
We can put it back on. That one didn't have that.
Yes, it did.
Oh, it did?
It went like this.
Oh, okay. I'll put it back on.
Okay. Okay, we did that. Did not.
Oh, there's something in there.
I think it's a little like hair barrette thingy. I'm not wearing what I'm wearing.
Oh.
I am not wearing what I'm gonna wear to Easter. This is just what I wear to a bag, a random.
So, see, they can sit in there, and then it holds her drink.
Oh, that's cute.
See?
I'm not looking on the checklist this time. Aww. She's cute. She has little braids. Or pigtails. Isn't she so adorable?
Oh, cute. I wasn't done with it. Well, what does she do? What does she do?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, let me just put her hat back on. Get her bottle. Well, it worked better when I went like this.
she's a spitter.
I think it's doing it because you're squeezing her head, so it's spitting it out the hole.
No, you're supposed